Okay, so good afternoon everyone. Good morning kung anong oras kayo ano, um, nanood ng video na to. Okay, so meron naman tayong isang problem na kailangan natin i-solve. Okay, so this time this is electrical engineering professional subject under transmission line. Okay, so problem goes. A three-phase short transmission line is 20 kilometers long. The line has a per-phase series impedance of 0.13 plus J 0.45 ohm per kilometer. If the line delivers a three-phase load of 75 MVA, 66 kV, zero point 0.8 power factor lagging, find the voltage regulation of the line. Okay, so first, so kailangan nating drawing muna kung ano yung tsura ngayon ng ano. So for mas madali siyang ma-visualize, no? So mas okay yung per phase analysis, no? So ganito lang. Okay, so you have sending, receiving, and this is your line, and you have your eye of the line. Okay, and that would be equal to, for short transmission line, I line is equals to the I of your load, no, per phase current. Okay, so ang impedance natin is given in ohm per kilometer. So we need to multiply it first by the length of the transmission line para makuha natin yung overall na impedance. So that would be equal to 0.13 plus J of 0.45, then multiplied by 20. Okay, so meron tayong ZL equivalent to 2.6 plus J 9.0. This is ohms. Okay, next thing to do is get the current. Okay, IL is equal to 7566.8, 75 MVA times 10 to the 6 over square root of 3 times 66 kV times 10 to the 3. Okay, so now need to divide it by power factor since MVA na to. Okay, so only the angle na lang, no? Negative r cosine of 0.8. Okay, so we have IL equivalent to so we have 75 6 square root of 3, 66,000, and angle of negative r cos of 0.8. So that would be 656.08. Angle of negative 36.87 amperes. Okay, so from that may makukuha na tayong voltage sending per phase. So that is equals to the receiving and voltage per phase na 66 kV. So 66,000 over square root of 3, okay, times the plus the current. Okay, so take note, ito angle of 0, reference natin to, so no need to put the angle, no? So current is 656.08, 656.08. negative 36.7. Okay, times the impedance of 2.6 plus 9. 2.6 plus J 9. 0. Okay, so we now have, so store muna natin to sa A. Okay, then we have 66,000 over square root of 3, then plus A times 2.6 plus 9 I. Diba? Okay, so in polar form, so that would be equal to 43171.47. 43171.47 angle of 4.9. 4.92 degrees. This is volts. Okay, so percent voltage regulation now is equal to V sending minus B receiving over B receiving. So times 100. So better, since eksakto na yung 66,000 and ito, puro to 66,000. Pwede to per phase, pwede din um, line to line. No? So better line to line na lang. Para ito na lang yung multiply natin ng square root of 3. So you have square root of 3 times 43171.47. Okay, so take note, ito magnitude na to ha. Okay, so BR, which is 66,000, okay, over 66,000 times 100%. Okay, so therefore we have percent BR equal to 1. So meron tayo dito, so just have to get the abs, okay, of the answer, pero multiply pa natin ang square root of 3. Okay, then minus 66,000 over 66,000 times 100. So you have 13.296%. 13.296%. Okay. So ganyan lang, no? Check natin kung nasa choices ba. 13.296. So pag ganito, ang pipiliin natin is yung closest answer. Okay, so we have an alternative solution for that using the other formula, no, ng voltage regulation. Okay, so how do we do that? Okay, so kailangan natin doon is yung power factor, reactive factor, percent resistance, percent reactance. Okay, so dito yung resistance natin, yung okay, resistance natin is equal to RL of the line is equal to 0.13 times 20, no? Kasi 20 kilometers. So you have 2.6, okay, ohms. Tapos yung XL natin follows na equal to 0.45 times 20, or that would be 9.0 ohms. Okay. Then we need to get the base impedance. So the base impedance equivalent to KB squared over MBA. So you have 66 squared divided by MBA na 75. Okay. So we have 66 squared divided by MBA na 75. So that would be 58.08. 58.08 ohms. Therefore, percent resistance per percent IR is equals to 2.6 divided by the base, 58.08. So, so 2.6 over 58.08. So, lagay natin yan sa A. So, 0.045. 0.045 per unit. Okay, then we're going to get the percent IX equals to 9.0 over 58.08. So that would be equal to 9 over 58.08 equals, store natin yun sa B. Okay, for mas madali siyang i-recall na lang, no? May 1.155. 0.155 per unit. Okay, so we now have the percent resistance, percent reactance. So next is power factor, which is 0.8. So therefore, the reactive factor then is equals to 0.6, or the sine of the R cosine of the power factor. Okay, so the percent VR now is equivalent to the square root of the power factor plus percent resistance na 0.045, then square plus the reactive factor of 0.6, okay, plus the percent IX, which is 0.155, okay, then square, then minus 1, then multiplied by 100. Okay, so percent VR now plus 1. Okay, so percent VR will equal to A and B, ano? Square root of 0.8, 0.8 plus A squared plus 0.6 plus B squared, then labas minus 1 times 100. So this must be the same ni kanina, 13.296. So 13.296%. Okay. So na-verify natin, na-confirm natin na tama yung nilagay nating solution. Yeah, 13.296 pa rin. Okay, so that's all. So thank you so much for listening. Good day.